Hi everyone, welcome to this amazing new project walkthrough video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning premium go high level sales funnels directly in this project walkthrough. This is Coach Max and I built multiple funnels for Coach Max, but in that video, I'm going to specifically show you how to create multi-step sales funnels in high level and what exactly we did for our clients so that you can get a better understanding. Now, you might be asking as to who am I to teach you about Go High Level funnels, landing pages, and everything. My name is Pritam. I run a Go High Level funnel and website design agency. We build marketing funnels for our clients. And if you want to work with us, make sure you click on the link and secure a free spot. If you haven't worked with us yet and you want to join Go High Level, I'm going to give you an opportunity to join it for exclusively at a 30-day free trial. Not just that, I'm going to give you all my bonuses landing pages for absolutely free, worth $10,000. You can see the number of clients we have worked with across the world. All of this is going to be for free. Again, the link is in the description. Make sure you check them out. But without the further ado, let's get started. Let me show it to you about this particular project, which we built and customized for our clients. It's a very premium funnel. Again, this is a multi-step funnel, so this is going to be a Forex funnel where we have selling the bot on the first sales page. We have a $79 upsell community, which is a community program. Then we have an inner circle that we are going to sell to people, and then we have the order confirmation page. All right, without a further ado, let me quickly show you all of that. Now this is the front landing page inside Go High Level. As you can see, this is a very premium. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the entire landing page here, which you can see it kind of beautifully turns out. Looks very premium for someone who wants to sell high ticket projects, right? If you're a business and agency account which want to sell premium funnels, you might want to see and check and imitate something like this so that you can build exactly what it looks like. All right, let me quickly show you as to what exactly we did for a client, and I'm also going to show you the perfect mobile optimization that we did for this particular project. All right, first things first, as you can see, this is a very bright, beautiful, violet color. We also mixed golden and black along with it. The first thing that you see here is exclusive access get PP now on the front itself. We have also have the logo on the left hand side and the email with which people can reach out to the team on the right hand side, because people might have questions before they put their credit card on the line. So for that, you have to make sure that people has a way in order for them to reach out to you. Along with that, Coach Max is a very well known coach in her trading community, and she has trained over 140,000 traders worldwide. She has in her community, and it's very important that as a funnel designer, landing page expert, you need to show that right upfront and make the best decision while they are on the page. Again, this talks about mastering trading with confidence and not guessworks. The tagline, the bro line that you can see is available here itself. Now, meet PP, right? We are giving the product right itself. What exactly is PP? It's the study buddy that makes trading finally click. And whether it's Forex, futures, stocks, crypto, anything you have, we have our project, which is Meet PP, and this is going to solve the issue for you. Now, this also has a very good detailed video by Coach Max, which is super important. By the way, Coach Max has also provided an amazing testimonial video because she got an amazing service, which is uploaded on our YouTube channel. But I also recommended her that she should record a great VSL, because a great VSL will sell the product itself on the landing page along with the all the effort that we are doing in creating it. Right? Like, look at the background, look at this big glass effect that we have received. This is amazing. I think the team does a pretty good job, right? So whenever you work with us, you get these kind of amazing uh you know output. Along with that, we also have the CTA button that I really want to highlight, which says yes, I want PP now. Now, you need to create the CTA buttons in a way. First of all, it should not look like the background color, so it should always pop out. That's the reason why it has this beautiful gradient green color, which is very different from the bluish and the orange blackish color. Again, this green color has nothing to do with the brand color, but it doesn't make really matter because it needs to pop out. It could be red, it could be blue, it could be green, it could be yellow, it could be literally anything that pops out, and I've chosen green because it just gives the green light. All right, So as you can see, it says, yes, I want PP now, only for $27 a month, instant digital access. So you're reconfirming that exactly what you're going to pay and how you're going to receive it. You're going to pay $27 a month only, and you're going to instantly get the access. So instant access, cancel anytime out. When you write this, you kind of reassure the customer that, okay, this is going to be simple, easy, and straightforward. It's not a scam. It's very simple to do, just like how I shop on Amazon, Shopify, or all other stores. Exactly how you're going to do it. We've also put some card, Visa, Master, and things like that. You can put depending on what you accept. But somebody when clicks on this, it opens up this beautiful overlay. This overlay has this pop-up form where we showcase everything that they're gonna get. We showcase the line which says the progress line. We also give them this option of don't leave your breakthrough on the table, and we have a two-step form. Now the reason we have a two-step form is because, for example, when somebody comes on the landing page, they put out their company name, full name, email address, phone number, they go to the confirm your order, but they do not make a purchase. The moment they do not make a purchase, what we do is we retarget them as an abandoned checkout process. Now all of these email customization we do for our clients, but it's also available for free on our bonus. So anybody who subscribes to the Go High Level with our plan gets all of the funnels, landing pages, websites, along with automations. As you can see below, you have all these kinds of email templates, automations, right, checklist, everything available for absolutely free. Anyways, coming back to this is what you get. Recommended max to do it, so because this will increase the ROI and the chances of people getting into your program. The second step that comes into picture is going to be the trusted by. I specifically mentioned providing 7 to 8 good logos that we can use in order to add, which is going to build trust, credibility, and authority in your niche in front of your target audience. Now, the moment you add all of these details, it intensifies the authority you hold, and guess what happens? Your percentage of checking out increases. So the conversion increases, and you make a lot of money, right? Apart from that, we also focus on the challenges that their audience is facing, which we are going to solve with our product and solution. Now, hear me one thing. The target market might be facing 20 different problems, but you are here to solve 5 of them. So you're not going to discuss about the other 15. Rather, you're only going to focus on the top 5, which you and your product is going to sell for them, because that's where you hit the pain point, and then you provide the solution. Now look at the branding, look at the colors, look at the gradient effects we have used, which makes it really, really premium and stand out from the rest of the landing pages in the market. By sure, this is going to be one of the most premium landing pages that Coach Max or anybody else in the niche has ever built, because they work with us. Now, apart from that, when you scroll down, you also get an introduction about what exactly going to get. Again, as this is a chatbot, as you know, AI chatbots are on the rise now. People are selling it like crazy, and you should also consider selling it. Exactly how Coach Max is doing. So introducing PP built to make trading finally make sense. I've also created this beautiful graphic of PP, the chatbot, about mockups and Forex, future, crypto, stocks, everything that they do. So here you have, imagine there's exactly everything that mentions about what the product does. So this is more like the product description, which should sell itself to the target market looking for a solution like this. All right, just let me scroll down here. We also again have this call to action button. I always recommend having multiple call to action on the button on the entire landing page, because that really helps in order to click on it and proceed to the next part, because I don't want people to keep finding where my button is. Now we have how PP works, because we also need to help them understand exactly how this works. And we've explained them and break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1, that PP assesses where you are exactly, so that you, whether a beginner, an expert, or a mediator, can adapt to this. Then she teaches in plain English just exactly how Coach Max will teach. And then she keeps you accountable and emotionally balanced during the entire process of trading, and then she optimizes your execution based on your previous performance. All of this builds trust, credibility, and a sense of relief that, okay, no matter where I am, I will be able to use this bot in order to improve. my trading journey. Now you have to build this on the landing page itself in order to have that trust from the customer. Many landing page creators don't do this, don't even know how to do it. But I'm explaining this on my YouTube channel. I hope you learn from it. And again, this is going to be very, very essential. Now, with and without her. So, this is a very good breakdown. What exactly you're going to do when you are with PP software and when you are without the PP software. It talks about everything that you see that you won't be able to do, and the mess you have created in your life while trying to trade. All of that reasons is here. Again, you can see beautiful gradient texture even on the red ones. Now coming to the green ones here, this is going to show you everything that you are going to get and do and achieve when you get our software, and that's the reason why you should get our PP with a button right below it. Now, let's see as to what are the four pillars, because Coach Max really want to highlight as to what exactly Pippi does, which is not just a regular chatbot. Because the first pillar it helps you to study and build the actual skill needed in order to trade. Second thing it does, it helps you trade and execute the orders. The third thing, it helps you create the winning mindset, the stable mindset, and develop a good routine, which is going to help you get a better result. And it also helps you teachers the trading tools like TradeView step by step, and provides you resources which you might need while you are trading. Now let's scroll down and see the bonuses. Now, apart from that, I also recommended Coach Max in order to provide multiple bonuses, because when you create an offer stack of everything that you're going to provide to your target audience, this becomes a no-brainer deal. The moment there's a offer which is a no-brainer deal for as low as $27 a month, people are going to buy it, especially when they are your target audience. As you can see, we have a quick starter training guide. We also have mentioned the value, because we want people to know that if we had to sell this, we would sell it at this particular price. But since you're joining this, I'm going to give it to you for free. Exactly how, if you join the Go High Level, account, if you join your Go High Level account with 30-day free trial from my link, you're going to get all of this for absolutely free and no cost at all. Exactly how this is playing out here. I mean, is all sales psychology that I use on all my landing pages for my clients and for myself, which has helped me make multiple six figures as of now. Now, as you can see, the bonus two is the beginner's training guide checklist, the emotional reset protocol checklist, and also the trading view setup coaching and training. Right. Apart from that, we also want to make sure that PP is not a magic pill. It is not something that you buy at $27 a month and it promises you to make $1 million a month. That's not how it works. It's not a legit tool that helps you go from point A to point B. And what exactly it doesn't do, everything we have mentioned here, right? So it has all of these details. Not just that, we also want to mention about Coach Max. And this is where you get everything related to Coach Max, her life achievements, and why you should hire or work with her. So all of that is also mentioned. Now here we talk about that, hey, this is not a catch, just clarity as to what exactly this is. This is not a gimmick scheme, this, a wonder scheme. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is a legit tool that helps you build your expertise into this field. Now, this is the most important part where we offer stack. As you can see, I have stacked all the offers. For example, I have stacked the chatbot, I have stacked the bonuses, I have stacked the guides, I have stacked the courses, the coaching. All of that is mentioned here, and all of that is also available with a pricing plan here. Now, the total would have been $235, but I'm going to give it to you all of that for $27 a month. That's exactly what you get when you join the PP now here. Now, here we also have some testimonial, and she has amazing testimonials. By the way, these effects are created by me on Go High Level, customized, and this testimonial highlight feature looks really nice. I don't have FAQs because it's a very normal thing for people to have questions when they are trying to buy something, so this is fine. And at the bottom, we have the logo. Now, one thing I want to tell you guys is that this entire funnel that you see here is also 100% mobile optimized. Let me quickly show you that. As you can see, this is 100% landing page, which works really, really well here. As you can see, this looks amazing. The entire page is mobile optimized, guys. Amazing, isn't it? Now let me quickly show you. The moment they check out with this particular checkout form, they go to this next step, which is the upselling of the community feature. Now here we upsell the Go High Level up their community, right? And as you can see, wait, get access to our community, and now you have here your order is processing. Wait, now this is important. Now we're going to sell the join the community program. Now this talks about $79 a month. This is a one-click checkout process. So the moment somebody it adds them to your payment. So this is what you get here. It also talks about the 5 pillars which Coach Max mentioned, and all of this is custom designed. Really, really nice. With all the testimonial, the certificate, everything people get with particular community. And as I said, this entire thing is also mobile optimized. Beautifully done. As you can see here, this is very well added, right? Now let me quickly show you the next page, which is the inner circle. The inner circle is where people get a chance to become a part of her direct coaching program, and this is called the Kingdom Vault limited access, right? This talks about the one-on-one coaching that people get for $497 a year, or one-on-one or the community, the inner circle coaching people get, and it talks about everything that they're gonna get in the inner circle. Now as you can see, this is beautifully designed and built, and all of this is, by the way, inside Go High Level. Look at this beautiful design of the vault that we have done to showcase the value that people pay. $497 a month. That's it. That's what people pay in order to get the entire thing. And again, this is 100% mobile optimized. Let me show you that, right? A fully mobile optimized video. Do you see that? The landing page, beautifully crafted. This probably took me 2 to 3 weeks at least of my time to work on the project, but I think it came out wonderfully well. I would happily say that this is one of the best projects that I've ever designed, and kudos to Coach Max for being such an amazing client and providing great testimonial. Again, if you are somebody who's looking to work with us, go to pritam.com. The link will be in the description. And if you have with our affiliate link, from which you get a 30-day free trial as well as all the bonuses worth $10,000. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.